Hey everybody, DataBard here. Channel's been a little quiet lately and I apologize for that. I ended up having a lot more speaking opportunities now than I expected to, and so I've been focusing a lot of time on that. So instead of giving you a brand new video with content, here's a quick promo video to talk about my upcoming speaking engagements and how you can see me speaking out in the community. So the first speaking opportunity comes on September 10th at the Microsoft Fabric Global Online Conference 2024. It's a brand new conference specifically focusing on Fabric. My topic is getting started using PySpark in Fabric to transform your data. If you're brand new to Fabric and brand new to PySpark, this will be a great introduction session to get you familiar with working with notebooks, Python specifically within PySpark contexts, and a little additional considerations about that specific to Fabric. So if you're new to all of those things, definitely check out this session. It's going to be a great one for you. The next speaking opportunity comes on September 25th, when I'll be speaking as a part of the Future Data Driven Summit, an online conference. There, I'm going to be speaking about Intro to Machine Learning as a Data Engineer. A number of us are finding ourselves jumping into the world of machine learning, whether by choice or by being asked by our organization. This session is going to take our data engineering background and try to help us learn about machine learning on the fly. I say it's for data engineering, but really for anybody who's looking for intro level content to understand machine learning principles and how to implement them in Microsoft situations. This will be a session talking specifically about that. This next opportunity is for those in the Midwest or anybody who can make your way to Minneapolis on September 28th. There, I'm going to be speaking at the SQL Saturday event. It's another free in-person event happening in Minneapolis. I'll be talking about T-SQL formatting standards. The SQL language wasn't really designed with standards in mind. And like many languages, when you're collaborating with people, you want to make that collaboration as easy as possible. One of the ways you can solve that is with formatting standards. So in this session, I'm going to be talking about what sorts of things we should do as organizations to establish effective coding standards specifically around SQL language and which scenarios they should apply to. In a world where people want to talk about coffee while wearing Fabric and talking about Fabric, comes the Microsoft Fabric Cafe, a new online community that's running sessions on a weekly basis. I'll be speaking for them on October 5th on Microsoft Fabric Architecture Lessons from Year 1. Any product in its first year always is going to have an interesting first year, but there's always something to be learned, right? So in this session, I'm going to talk about the things that I've learned from implementing this product within its first year and some things to keep an eye out for that I think is going to set up Fabric for really good successful year 2 and beyond. And finally, for those of you heading to Seattle in November for PASS Summit, you're going to have an opportunity to see me speaking there on T-SQL standards in your organization. Again, the language supports a lot of flexibility, but sometimes flexibility presents its own challenges. So I'm going to talk about what we can do to allow some flexibility in the language, but do so in a way that still makes it easy for us to collaborate. It's my first time speaking at PASS Summit, and I'm super excited to get out there and share this topic with that community. And those are my speaking opportunities for the next couple of months. And I'm beyond thrilled to have these opportunities to get out into the community and tell stories, sharing knowledge the same way that they have shared so much information with me over the years. So please, as you have opportunity, I would be happy to see you at any of these events watching me or the other presenters out there. Please go and support the community that wants to teach. And I hope to engage with all of you at these events. For now, I'm DataBard, and I'll see you in the next chapter.